Welcome to Mike's Man Cave, and today we will be looking at three what I believe to be absolutely essential accessories for the Telo. Now here's my Tello drone, and you might remember I got this as a Father's Day present, and I've done the unboxing video of it. I will put a link in the description box to my unboxing video as well as my very first flight of the DJI Telo. Well, it's not actually made by DJI, but they do market the Tello drone. It's got DJI technology in it. I just call it the DJI Tello. So if you recall, this is what you get with your Tello drone. You get the actual drone and you get a battery. Now I've got a habit of labeling all my batteries, and that's something you might consider if you own drones and you've got multiple batteries. Well, at this stage I've only got one battery. So this is what you get when you buy the Tello drone. You get the actual drone, which is quite small, with your prop guards already installed, and you get a battery, and that is it. Now, unless you've got pre-existing cables already, which most people have, but not everyone. So the first thing you would need as an essential accessory would be the charging cable. Okay, that's it there. Now I've bought this off eBay, and I think it was about $3 or $4. I think it was $3.98 or something delivered. And so I've just ordered that. Let's open it up. Okay, so now we've got a charging cable for the DJI Tello. Now, I know these are only a cheap little thing, but in my personal opinion, really, I got this cable for $3.98 delivered to my house. So personally, I think this cable should have came with the drone, and I think it is an essential cable. So anyone that then buys the drone, they can get their battery, which clips in there, and the little charging port. The little charging port is on the side there, and now I can plug that in, and I can plug this into my computer or USB charging pack, and I can charge up my drone and battery ready to fly. So there you go, there's your first essential accessory, the charging cable. Now the next accessory I believe is absolutely essential is some spare batteries. Now these are original batteries, and they come in a little display pack like that. And that's it. Okay, so I've bought a couple of spare batteries, so now I've got 3 batteries. Okay, that's one, and I'll have to print up some labels to put on these ones. So let's get this one out. So now we've got 3 batteries for our drone. I'm going to have to print up some more labels, so we call this one 1, 2 and 3. And this will give us a little bit more flight time and a little bit more fun time with our Tello. So there's our second, what I believe to be essential DJI Tello accessory. Now that we've gone this far, as you know, you put your battery in there and you plug your charging cable in here. Now mind you, your charging cable only goes in one way. Now I can charge up one battery, but what about these two? That's not much fun, is it? So that brings us to our third, what I believe to be essential Tello accessory, and that is the Tello battery charging hub or charging dock, or whatever you want to call it. They call it a charging hub. I would call it a charging dock. Okay, these are about $20, I think. I can't really remember. It did not break the bank. They're not outrageously expensive. Same with the batteries. They're not outrageously expensive. I bought these at a discount anyway. I believe I've got 2 batteries plus the charging dock, and it cost me about $40 maybe. maybe 45. It wasn't any more than that. Okay, so I got them at a good price, and you might just have to shop around and see if you can pick yourself up a bargain. So now, let's open this up. Okay, it's stuck. I'll have to get a knife. So let's open this up and get it out of the packet. Okay, it even comes with a fancy instruction manual in various languages. Not sure why you need an instruction manual with a charging dock, so I'll put that aside for now. And let's get the charging dock out. It's got a little rubber feet on the bottom, which is good. Okay, and there it is. It's quite simple. So what we'll do now, instead of plugging this into our Telo, okay, again, this only fits in one way. Okay, what we've got now, we've got our charging cable that we've just bought and our charging dock. Now the batteries just go in there like that. We'll get this battery as well. So now we can charge up our 3 batteries at once, and our drone can just sit there and wait for the batteries. We don't have to plug anything into the drone. Now these are the 3 accessories I believe to be essential. Some spare batteries, a charging hub so you can actually charge your batteries, and a charging cable so you can actually connect your charging hub to be charging the batteries. Now if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have a Tello drone, please let me know what you believe your favourite accessories are. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I'll respond to all comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.